right, I'm stunner. Pull out a camera now, watch me go. I got style and I got soul. I'm feeling fresh, feeling right on the money. So on point, so smooth like honey. Living it up, now have you heard? I'm on top, yeah, I'm on top of the world.
Happy birthday, Naila. Sana mag-aral ka na mabuti. Mahirap magbayad ng tuition. Ayun, sana magpakabayad ka mo ng konse kay Mami. Happy birthday!
Today I woke up like I'm dreaming and it's something good. Building castles in the sky like I'm Robin Hood. Drinking coffee, calling friends and thinking that's the night. Share paper fortune, origami, happy birthday to
Happy birthday, love you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Nayla. Sana lumaki kang matalino, may takot sa Diyos, at mabait, at maging masunurin sa magulang.
Let us put our hands as a welcome main highlight of this celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, our celebrant, Naila Tudoro.
Naila, happy birthday, baby. Ingat ka lagi. Mag-aral mabuti. Ano ba? Love ka naman, sis.
Happy birthday, Naila. Wish ko sa'yo ay maging matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo at ng magulang mo para sa'yo. At sumunod sa'yo yung mga magulang at magkaroon ka ng takot sa Diyos.
Stay mabait and laging susunod kay Mami at Daddy.
Laging magtanong sa mami at daddy kung paano yung maging masaya at yung mga kagandahang asal.
Gotta live in the moment, live. Gotta live in the moment, live. Gotta live in the moment.
Happy birthday, Naila. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. At saka lagi susunod kay Mami at Daddy. Yung lagi ganding. Ayan lang. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. Saka healthy and sweet and pretty.
This is my moment now.